古谷弘子と申します。日本から参りました。私は今多摩美術大学で、絵画専攻、日本画、油画、版画の中で版画を教えています。とても皆さん初めて多分彫刻刀を使うことになったと思うんですけど、皆さん一生懸命非常に難しい細かい作業まで丁寧に皆さんやってらっしゃいます。
松本啓二と申します。私は8歳の頃96年に、このワルシャワに、引っ越してそこからずっとこちらに住んでいます。今回このワークショップでは生徒の皆さんにろうと、墨を使った作品を作っていただいています。
My name is Warren Lehrer. I'm a writer and a visual artist, designer, sometimes performer, and educator. I'm here as part of this conference think tank on future text, thinking about the future of written stories and interactive stories and motion graphics. But I don't think books are dead. They have been prophesized to be on their deathbed for a long time. But I think books now are liberated from having to be just the most convenient vehicle for transporting texts.
私は日本の金沢学院大学から来ました南雲真紀と言います。出身は日本の新潟県です。私の専門は油絵、絵画油絵とあと美術教育。このワークショップでは日本の伝統的な材料を使ったさまざまな技法についての制作をしています。
My name is Carolina. I came here today, this week with Nori. We design experiences.
東京から来た NXC 代表の佐藤です。
Yes, we are working together with students on a workshop which is about user experience design, and we are hoping that we inspire the students and show them a way to think about new ideas and think more deeply about everyday situation and find a lot more concept that would help them to find out more interesting solutions.
My name is Sue Walsh. I am a creative director and a designer in New York. I work at a company called SY Partners, which is a transformation consultancy, which can mean many different things. And I'm faculty at School of Visual Arts, where I teach in both the MFA design program and their continuing education. I think the future of text based on AI, different technologies, what we've talked about with the role of government, it's more almost about the future of truth. So how do we think about what is an idea, how is that articulated, and ultimately is this true or real, or what meaning does it convey?